So, ito. Maglalaro tayo ng Roblox. Ito, roblox.com. And titingnan natin kung anong maganda sa Roblox malaro. So, anong maganda na yun sa Roblox? This is the new Roblox, the classic, the oldest version of Roblox. Ito yung game na laro natin. The classic. And guys, heads up, this is basically the oldest version of Roblox. Oh yeah. This looks so guys, this is the Roblox of 2011. The Roblox we all know and love today. We'll see what's some of the Roblox game from now. I guess we will be playing Dusty Trip. No. Bed Wars. Ooh, Magic. Classic. Bed. And guys, we are going to be playing some classical Bed Wars. Nah. Don't think I want to play some Bed Wars. Because we're gonna be playing something else. Oh. Alright. I know what I'm going to be playing, guys. We are going to be playing the classic driving simulator. Here we are. Ooh, magic. Here we go, guys. Driving Empire. Loading. The Driving Empire. They're going to be picking the Porsche. And guys, comment down below. What is your favorite car? Is it the Porsche, the Lamborghini, the Dodge Challenger, Chevrolet, Ford, or Ferrari? Comment down below. What's your favorite car? Because mine is the Lamborghini. Ow. Sorry. And guys, I am clearly a wild driver. Here we are. We are driving on a ship, on the mighty rocket ship. Guys, like and subscribe for like and subscribe, guys, if you want me, to do a 24-hour drive in Brookhaven. Like and subscribe, guys. See, comment down below what kind of Porsche is this? Is it like driving in real life, guys? Comment down below if you know how to drive. If kids are what? If you're a kid and you want to try this out, go ahead. It's free to play in Roblox. But don't try this in real life, kids. You might get in trouble if you try this at home. We, you know, this Los Angeles, this is LA, California. Guys, comment down below what is your favorite part of America. Oh, is it Canada? Is it Texas or Washington DC or LA, California? Let me know. Getting the hang of driving. But guys, if you want part 2 where I try the Lamborghini, let me know down in the comments below. Oh, yo! Oh. Oh. Bruh. But guys, looks like this is going to be the end of the video. But if you guys want part 2 when I try to do a donut with the Lamborghini, let me know down below. Alright guys, this is going to be the end of the video. But if you guys want part 2 when I try to do donuts around the city with a Ferrari or a Lamborghini, let me know in the comments down below. And subscribe everyone, like and subscribe, follow me on Twitter, Facebook, and TikTok if you want to be in a video with me. Till then, see you guys next time.